My name is Ania and I work at Woodpecker.
My name is Michał Burzyński, I work for Spyrosoft.
I'm Radek Kaczyński from Bouncer.
My name is Emilia and I'm the co-founder of Be Brave.
Hey, my name is Yurii Veremchuk and I work for Woodpecker.
Hi, my name is Tom and I work for Monterail, and together with my colleagues I'm responsible for outbound activities.
My name is Paula Cederholm and I am the head of marketing for Woodpecker.
My name is Margaret and I work at Woodpecker.
It's like building a foundation of the house. If you don't build it properly, the house at some point will collapse.
Email deliverability is what makes your messages go to the main inbox.
It is about how to make sure my email will land in the prospect's inbox.
I see email deliverability as our ability to deliver our message.
It's all about the quality of your email delivery.
Email deliverability is the ability of messages to reach inbox.
The process of an email dropping into your inbox.
And the other side, it's the necessary condition to make it business-wise meaningful.
It's about the volume of good emails that allow you to jump into their mailboxes.
Having in mind any enrichments, text bolding or images or GIFs versus being filtered out by spam filters.
If you're into sending emails and you want to make sure somebody reads your email, get yourself interested in deliverability.
It's something that it's really important to take care of so you can ensure that you have a successful long-term strategy.
Because otherwise you're not going to appear in the primary inbox.